Understanding the idiom, brewed a storm. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, brewed a storm. This idiom is rich in imagery and meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations. Let's get started. Brewed a storm is an idiom that combines two words, brewed, which often refers to making something, like tea or coffee, by mixing and heating, and storm, a natural phenomenon characterized by strong winds, rain, or other harsh weather conditions. When we put these words together in the phrase, brewed a storm, we get a metaphor that describes a situation where something significant, often troublesome or challenging, is developing or forming. This idiom is often used to describe situations where actions or events are leading to a significant, usually negative, outcome. For example, his controversial statements have brewed a storm in the media. Ignoring the problem has only brewed a storm within the team. In these examples, the phrase indicates that something big and potentially problematic is developing as a result of certain actions or inactions. While brewed a storm is a common form, you might also hear variations like brewing a storm or a storm is brewing. These variations carry the same meaning but are used in different grammatical contexts. For instance, I sense that there's a storm brewing with those dark clouds. Their disagreement is brewing a storm in the workplace. And there you have it. The phrase, brewed a storm, is a vivid way to describe the development of a significant, often challenging situation. It's a great example of how English uses imagery to convey complex ideas. I hope this video has shed light on this interesting idiom, and you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.